Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to turn on and off text message alerts on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you from my new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. In the settings, scroll down and find the Notifications. In the notifications, scroll down until the bottom and find the text message. As you will see, there's a switch button on the right side of that text message. And if you want to turn it on, just press the switch button. And it is now enabled. And if you want to turn it off, the text message alerts, just turn it off to disable. And that's it. We have successfully turned on and off text message alerts on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!